When joining new TWIG to the network or setting up for the first time, you need to be in range of your devices. First, open the TWIG-MC app and click on the settings in the bottom right corner. Here, you will see your hub information, like the pairing pattern and channel, which you need to join your TWIGs. After you have your pairing pattern, back out of the MC app and open the TWIG-V app. It will scan and find all eligible TWIG-V nearby. Select the device you want to join the network by clicking on the blue arrow on the right on its name bar. This will show you the device's status. Press the blue arrow on the right on the network line. It will scan for a network and give you all the options available. Select the join with the blue arrow on the right of the network name line that you wish to join. This will prompt you to input the pairing pattern for the TWIG-MC app. Select the cells by clicking on them. When finished, press the join.